Your body is always listening to the way you speak to yourself. And today, we choose gentleness. We choose healing. We choose abundance. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out heaviness. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Let your whole body settle into this moment. There is nothing to fix right now. Nothing to chase. Just this quiet space to reconnect with the healthiest, calmest, most abundant version of you. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice how naturally your body supports you. Every breath, every heartbeat, every moment. Silently repeat, my body knows how to heal. My mind knows how to rest. I allow myself to feel well. Imagine a soft golden light moving gently through your body, relaxing your face, your neck, your chest, your stomach, your legs. With every breath, your body feels lighter, calmer, more balanced. And remember, healing is not becoming someone new. It is returning to the peace that was always within you. Now imagine this warm light growing brighter. It fills every cell with healthy energy. Your body feels supported. Your mind feels clear. Your spirit feels refreshed. Picture yourself waking up feeling energized, moving through life with ease. Caring for yourself with love instead of pressure. Silently say, I deserve to feel healthy. I deserve rest. I deserve vitality and peace. Let those words settle deeply within you. Now begin to invite in abundance. Abundance of wealth. Abundance of joy. Opportunities. Love, time, and meaningful moments. Imagine your life gently expanding. Doors opening. Support arriving. Beautiful things flowing toward you naturally. There is so much abundance in the universe, and there is more than enough for you too. And softly remind yourself, abundance grows wherever gratitude and belief are allowed to live together. Take a deep breath in and feel yourself receiving. Think of one thing, however small, that you are grateful for today. Maybe it's your breath, a person you love, a quiet morning, or simply making it through difficult days. Let gratitude warm your heart. The more you notice what is good, the more your heart begins to feel full instead of lacking. Silently repeat, I welcome peace. I welcome health. I welcome abundance into my life. Now imagine yourself surrounded by soft, radiant light. This light carries wellness, strength, calm, and abundance. And it's not outside of you. It is you. Feel yourself becoming more open, more trusting, more alive. Your body is relaxing. Your mind is softening. Your heart is opening to beautiful possibilities. Stay here for a few quiet breaths. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel the calm within you. Feel the strength within you. And carry this thought with you today. You do not have to force your life to bloom. With care, rest, belief, and patience, patience. Growth happens naturally. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and step into your day feeling well, healthy, and abundant.